What's up, guys? I'm Jay Slock. I here from the Gold Nugget Atlantic City in a high-limit slot room. Top dollar right to my right, Jerry to my left, Marky G behind me. We have 905 into Dragon Cash, first ever played for you guys. We got it on the quarter denomination. Started at $12.50 a spin. We'll bounce it around. Let's spin. Let's win.
Let's go.
Mike, behind the COVID, the defense blocking mechanism.
He's doing the COVID curl over there.
So he's got to do the old COVID curl, as I call it. Are we at 50? Right? Yeah, 50. There we go. Nice and loud for you guys. Unlike double top dollar, which was a letdown.
Oh, look at that with the block.
It doesn't know what it wants to do in that situation. Love when they're loud like that. Play them up. Sevens. Oh, good. I don't even have the option of no handle. Here we go, Mark.
That's good. Something, something. The points. Oh, let me get the good music. Get the good music and all.
People go nuts for
48.75.
48.75. That's like 4 times our bet.
All right, that's nice.
You hit it, John.
I got it.
Switch it up. Look at that.
Little bells. Ring my bells.
Baby, ring those bells.
Ring my bells.
We should be ringing some bells tonight.
Let's hope, man. What is going on? We got to start it
off.
off.
Bells, Mike.
We got to get something going on here. Got it.
Yeah, play down 750, then change it over.
All right. The old reach.
Jerry, be careful.
Oh yeah, Jerry, look at that. It's this one right here. Yeah. There you go, $85.
I think that was John.
That was me. I did good. Oh.
Yeah, change it to 50 cents.
We're changing it over.
Jerry, hold on here.
Bang. Go, Jerry. Same one. I like it. That was good. Look at you, Jer. Oh, man. Look at all those numbers. 25, 25, 25.
Those are the baby ones.
All right. All right.
All right, get those rings. Those are like those napkin holders at the fancy restaurant.
That's right.
One more.
Yeah, let's go.
The only thing hard to get a bonus. Yo, let's go. Now, what happens if you choose this, Mike? Okay. Bonus and bonus. Gotta be somewhat decent. Halfway decent. This music. Yeah, come on, man. Come on.
Trigger.
Terrible.
Move it.
77.50. At least they heard the music.
Yeah, we're back even. We're back even.
That's true. I'm gonna have this guy in my dreams tonight laughing at me.
Look at his arm.
He's laughing. He's having a good time.
Yeah, I think it's time, Mike. Wow. Dollaroo.
John,
Just making it dramatic for the people, Jer. That's all.
they're gonna crush you.
Yeah, I know. Hey, do that anyway, Jer.
Yeah, that's us,
I love
pushing up
it.
daisies.
Curse more at me.
Come on, come on.
That would have been a great time for it to come out, man.
This thing's lit up like a train. Look.
I got the old napkin holders there for $20.
Come on.
They're not napkin holders.
I need some napkins to wipe up my tears.
Overlord pressers from the 1905s. Like I care. Like if I cared, I would have Googled it. Like, are you serious? People
Actually-
get that crazy.
Actually,
isn't it?
guys, those are jade.
Yeah, right.
Jade
Exactly,
bangles.
dude. Who cares? You're having fun. Like, what is ignorant when you don't know? No, I don't ever plan on using these in my life, so what does it matter?
Oh, little tenors. All right, $100 on tens.
We'll take it.
This thing wants to bang right now,
Yeah,
I think.
it does.
I really think it does, Mark.
I mean, it showed us that $10,000 minor. It showed. It showed its face
Crap,
before.
that's right. It did do that
Not
before.
even a bonus on Buffalo.
That was brutal. Minor, mini, major, grand, everything came out, and then
Come on.
I'm
we
feeling
couldn't
the
get
dollar
six.
denoms too. I think we got this.
Yeah, I agree. That might be where it's at, honestly. The old white.
That's what I
Oh,
needed.
I thought I missed it.
That's
there.
all right. That was nice. Now you gotta get back in there. This is a tough.
It's just tough with these
The dividers, man. They
dividers.
really.
Make it hard.
They're 12-inch thick, bulletproof glass. What do you expect?
Right?
That's the good news. Mike can't punch us if he gets mad.
That's true.
Where's the...
Did you spin that?
That's why this. That's when that bulletproof glass comes in handy.
What happened?
No, you have to go outside to smoke.
Yeah, Mark. It wants to come out so bad. It's coming out.
Giselle. Come here. Wow, wait, never mind.
Wait. Is Joe gonna come down and see us?
He's upstairs. He said he's gonna come down a little bit. Oh
Ooh,
my.
mama. You want to steal that spin?
Nah, it don't matter. I stole Mike's before, I think. We're all over the place. Look at this. Because you wait, those free games came out and it's just like, oh man. You know, give me the free games again. Let me have some
Yeah, we
fun.
got the shaft on those free games.
Shaft it up. Oh. It was brutal.
Come on.
Starts with 2 and then you're out of there.
Ding-a-ling.
$11.
King.
I don't know why. Legends and Hidden Temple or something.
It does sound like Olmec.
Yeah. And laugh.
What's
You
it gonna
have chosen wisely, purple parrots.
Anybody gonna get that much?
It's right. It was like silver
Purple,
snakes.
purple barracudas, I think.
Yeah, I don't remember.
Yeah, finally. Yeah, baby. Here we go.
Big, 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 big.
I did not think that was going to happen. Come on, let's go, man. Come on.
More coins to pull. Every time a coin
I saw it. I saw it. I saw him. I saw her at Miner. I saw him.
I saw the mine. I saw the mini go by for sure. Let's go. Let's go.
Come on,
Pull that
man.
screen, baby.
Let's go, baby.
Hey, action. Thank you. Into the Marky G. Walk, wipe, and win, baby. Wait, win, wipe, win, and walk, baby.
Come on, one more.
Tax wings coming from.
Oh, man.
That's how we do it.
There they go. Off the battle. Right? And then bang, a cannonball comes flying.
Boom.
And that's the end of them.
Ring those bells, baby.
$1,600 hand pay, ladies and gentlemen. That was me doing that on purpose. Relax. We will be back after this hand pay, ladies and gentlemen. All right, guys, we are back after that wonderful hand pay. Hoping to go 2 for 2 here. Spin its win. We put in an extra $100, guys. We had an extra $100 left over. Sorry. So we cashed out $1,500 instead of $1,600. We cashed out $1,500.
Yeah, so we're each up. Tell them, John, we're each up $200.
We are each up $200, ladies and gentlemen. Jackaroons.
Oh, jackalope.
10, 15. Yeah.
I only lost out $10, Mike. It's not too bad.
Right there. 8 more spins, or 7, 6, something like that. 6 more spins.
Oh, man. Give it that COVID curl, Mike.
The COVID curl. Here we go. You're good.
Yeah. I'm so thirsty.
Good.
I missed it. How did I get anything here tonight? I'm glad you're here.
Thank you so much.
Alright.
Oh.
I say we're all still there.
Okay.
How do you get it?
Okay.
Because I have a Bud Light,
Bud
a Miller Lite,
A Bud Light, Miller Lite. Wait a second.
Coke.
Soda.
Coke.
Fireball.
ice.
220.
Stella.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
That's it? So I have a Bud Light, a Miller Lite, apple soda, a Fireball, Stella, and a water.
And a Coke. Add a Coke to that.
And what kind of
A Coke. Yeah, a Coke, Pepsi, whatever you got.
Just one Coke?
Here we go. Come on. This is the one that's going to be good, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go. Here we go. I saw him. I saw him. Sweet 200. Yeah, baby. Re-trigger! Yeah, baby. Here we go.
Look, we on 500, we're at 500 now.
Watch this, Mark. Bang.
Ooh, baby, 9 games now. Come on, bonus and a bonus.
Keep it going. Let's go.
Ring those bells. Don't give it a white. Oh man, come on. Come on, got 3 more spins. Come on. Yeah! I think it's time to give a hand tag.
Re-trigger it. That would have been cool. One more.
Under the radar.
Here it is. 3. Hey.
Nice. Beautiful. Spin it down to 1,000.
And like we know, we're going right to 0, ladies and gentlemen. 250 spins.
No, we're
Hurry
not.
up before
No,
Mark
we're not.
knows. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding, Mark.
Never with Marky
That's
Jr.
better than winning the 12.
100%, Jer. 100%.
They wouldn't care though. They're-
No. This is awesome.
That was nice. That was a good little bonus. Nice little under
Needed
the radar.
that. We needed that.
Yeah.
Big time.
Under the radar.
Big
Dealer goes
time.
under the radar. Yeah.
Yeah,
I
okay.
agree with you. I don't
Now,
wanna play
now
the
we
other
see
ones
it,
anymore.
right. I agree. Completely agree. I don't know.
And
Yeah.
I think if we ever want to do $50 spins again, we should play the $2 denoms.
Are we playing this at 900?
Play it to it. I'll play it to 900. Yeah. If that's okay with you, John.
I'm good with
Our
it.
initial, right?
Yeah, that sounds.
I'm
good.
going. I didn't think about that with the. Yeah.
That sounds good to me. Take our principal out.
Yeah. Or.
It's bonus.
Oh,
it's right
man.
up there too.
It's the best when you're not paying attention. It just happens to come out like that. But there it is, like there.
Oh man. Let me do last spin here.
Go ahead. You deserve
Oh,
it. Wait.
Give us a little.
No
ammo,
last
honey.
spins here, my friends. No last spins here.
Ooh.
All right, go ahead.
Mama.
Come on, we still got a couple more. Plus the lucky. Oh no, we can't do lucky. What am I here? 5, 10,
Well,
bang!
Lost us $15. Well, good enough for just one spin.
Let's go. This is it.
COVID Carl.
What a video, huh? Great video here. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that bell to stay notified. Hope you really enjoyed this video. That was awesome. We'll have some more videos for you soon. Thank you very much for watching, guys.